Creating your own. The last part of the Bitmap project is to show your creativity and for you to explore GIMP and see as many features. So that's what we'll do right now. Take a look on the right. As you can see, you don't have your layers as you did before. The reason for that is because we are working off of the original final image, which is our signature image. But as always, we do want to duplicate the layer because we want to see our modifications from the original. Most of the changes and modifications you can do to an image will be in your filters menu. So for example, let's go ahead and find one right here. This one says cartoon. You can click on that. As always, there's a preview window that comes up. Let's go ahead and apply this and see what it looks like. Didn't really do too much to our image. What we can do is press Ctrl Z to undo it. If you're using a Mac, it is also Ctrl Z. It is not Apple Z. It is actually Ctrl Z, just like it is in PC. Here's another one called Supernova. Let's see what that does. It creates some blue star over there. Not too special. Let's go ahead and Ctrl Z, get rid of that. Again, we want you to explore GIMP, see what kind of changes, see what kind of modifications you can do to an image. Here's something kind of neat. You can go to mode. You can actually select the mode of your layer. That one's not really good. You can play around with that. Just changes the different kind of modes to that layer. A nice one that I like to do all the time is overlay. It is exactly what it sounds like. You're simply overlaying one image on top of the other. And once you have your final image, let's go ahead and call it final. Save your image. You guys are familiar with this at this point. You want to merge the layer or you want to flatten the image. You can do either one. At this point, let's just do what we've been doing, flatten the image. Save at 100%. Click save. And there you have it. Alright, and there we have it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different images. Right now we want to go ahead and save the actual GIMP file. Again, got to save a copy. And instead of typing .jpg extension, we want to call it XCF. The reason we want to call it XCF is because that is the file extension of an actual GIMP project file. So we want to have that because your professor might ask you to upload that as well. And there we have it, bottom left hand corner. We have our 5 images as well as our project file.